to start by making a super quick and easy pico de gallo. Great on all sorts of things, right? We love to dip our chips in it, but it's great on burritos, tacos, you name it. So we're going to start with some vine-ripened tomatoes. I like to dice these pretty fine because I want it to be scoopable with a chip. Cilantro, some white onion, some lime juice, and then optional but recommended, some finely diced jalapeno. Pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, and you have a super simple pico. I actually like to mix this, cover it, and let it sit for a couple hours. Let the lime juice and a little bit of salt do some work on those tomatoes and onions, take off that sharp edge and make a really beautiful, well-combined pico. Now, I know that was quick, but it was meant to be. And then have yourself a beautiful, lovely little taco night. If you like my pico, make sure to head to the website, leave a review at heygrillhey.com, tag me on social media. I can't wait to see your next backyard taco night. See you next time. That was going to be a 1.5 minute video.
I love it.
Cool.